Okay, let's continue with today's sessions. I hope you have practiced all the last session concepts. So today we are going into module 2 in which we are going to perform some attacks. These attacks are similar kind of attacks will actually be coming into our SIEM tool. So we should understand how these attacks will actually start and how do they work and what kind of data hacker will be able to get. So when we are investigating, we should be able to connect the dots. So I'll start with basic network based attacks, network scanning and port scanning. So first, network scanning. So concept of network scanning is very simple. You'll have one attacker. Consider that as one attacker. And this guy want to attack on other computers. Okay. But he doesn't know what other computers are available. So he will send some sample packets to all the devices. Okay. All the devices which are part of the network, he will send some sample packet to all of them. And whatever machine is available, that machine is going to respond back with its details so that the attacker will know that that machine is available to perform any kind of attack. Okay. So that is how network scanning will work. So again, my Kali I'll use as attacker machine, and I ask you to start meta 2. I hope you have done that. And let's see what other devices are available in this network. You can do that using a tool called nmap. So type nmap -sn, and you have to provide your network range. You can find your network range by typing IP space A. We have done that before. So execute IP space A, and you will get your IP range like this. That IP range you provide here. So every device that is part of that particular network, your nmap right now is going to send traffic to them. And if any one of them are responding back, you will be able to see that on your command prompt. Okay. Now, while it is going on, let me open a network monitoring tool. So to see how it will look like in network. So this is my network monitoring tool. Right now, look for any kind of ICMP or ARP packets. So we have some ARP packets here. Then we got DNS packets, DHCP, SSDP, again couple of ARP, IGMP, ARP, like that. We have some ARP packets, some maybe one or two ICMP packets like that. Now here, if I do that, let's see what happens. Hit enter, and in the back end you can see earlier few ARP packets are there. Now you can see a huge amount of ARP packets and a huge amount of DNS packets came. That is your network scanning result. Okay. So those many ARP packets it is sending in the backend. Sometimes it will send ICMP packets. Okay. And all the devices which are available in your network, you can see like this. Okay. My IP address is 231. So 231 is here. Apart from 231, every other IP address which is available, all of that we are able to see like this. Command is nmap -sn and your IP address range. I will give you the commands later. For now, just see. So once you identify your target IP address, my target IP address is this. I can see VirtualBox. This is my target IP address. Take your target IP address, and on that target IP address, I can perform port scanning to identify different types of ports which are available inside. Okay. So again, in the backend, you can see right now different source IP addresses are there, different destination IP addresses are there, and you can see different port numbers also. But after I execute this command, you will see from single source IP address towards single destination IP address, lot of TCP communications will go in order to identify the backend port numbers. Okay. So let me execute that. And as I execute, see TCP, TCP, TCP. So many TCP packets are there. Scan probably is over. It's super quick. So you have to be very quick there. So like that, it sent us so many different types of TCPs to find out what kind of ports available on the target. Okay. So command is simply nmap space IP of target. Okay. So like that, you can identify different types of IPs which are part of a network, or on any specific computer, what kind of ports are there. You can identify, so you can proceed to perform some communications. Okay. So you can also perform DOS attacks. I don't recommend you practice that, but just to show you, I'm going to use one. So far, you can see in network scanning, burst of packets went and stopped. In port scanning, burst of packets went and stopped. But in other network attacks like DOS attacks, one of the very popular attack, the packets will continue to go until you stop them, or until they have some kind of security mechanism. Okay. So right now you can see everything is peaceful. But if I come here and type the target IP address, until I press Control C in the backend, you can see from your attacker IP address 231 to the target IP address 159, you are sending so many packets. The target is accepting some, rejecting some, but you can see how quickly you are sending traffic and how much effect the target will have when you are sending that kind of traffic. Okay. Again, as long as this thing is running, it will have same kind of effect. Like that, continuously will send the traffic. You can see the number of packets there. Thousands of packets are being sent in any second. Right now it is, what is this, 5 lakh packets, 5 lakh 20,000, 5 lakh 30,000, 40, 50, 60. So around 10,000 packets are being sent before I could read its number. Okay. Now one machine is performing attack right now. We call it as DOS. If multiple people perform this attack at the same time, we call it as DDoS, distributed denial of service. But again, don't do that. Only do these two. Okay. However, before we proceed any forward, I want to give you something. Uh, uh, uh. So moving forward, we are going to communicate primarily using Discord. I'm going to share the Discord link now. So I want all of you to join so that we can proceed to participate and communicate and whatever other Kate is there. Open this link in your browser. It will ask for probably phone number or email ID or something. Create an account. First, I will show you. I'm not entry level, so I already have access. So log in and then I will show you what you can do. Meanwhile, I'm going to launch an attack because One moment. There is one attack that takes some time. I'm going to launch that attack so we can, by the time we do all this, it will be completed. Okay, attack is started. Now you do this. Once your logging in is completed, you will be getting a message. Already some people joined, Saurabh, Bhagyashree and Said. So you will get a message like this in the Discord server. There's a get role channel. You will see a number 1 there indicating that you got a message. There you will have a button. See, Saurabh recently joined. He will get, click here to verify. So click on that button, click here to verify. Your name, course name is CSA, the third one, CSA. Your email ID, give me an email ID that you are using already wherever you are getting videos. Okay. Trainer name is Chinni, simply type Chinni. Batch start date, our batch is 8th February. So give 8th February 2024 and click on submit. So our staff will receive your details and will verify and then we'll give you access. Okay. For now, just send the details. As soon as you join under get role channel, you will have this message. Okay. So go on, do that. Hmm? Did you give the address correctly? Are you sure? Because same link is working for others. So far, I see I received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 requests are received so far. Go to get role and click on any one of the verify, add your new course details. After you join, you will get this kind of message. Click here to verify. Already one student have done that. Click here to verify and provide your details. Okay, received two of them. What's going on? I see only two people have submitted their details. After joining, click on verify. Hmm, click here to verify is not enabled. Are you sure? Do you not see any click here to verify?
I did not get it any verify option or button.
Do one thing, share your screen. Do you see the bottom message? It clearly gives you a message on the bottom. You have to verify your account before you can do anything. Okay, so click on that button, click on that claim account button, and verify your account. Then only it will work, just like any other website. Any website, any account you create doesn't work unless you verify. Okay, same thing here also. Okay, now I got one more. Also, if possible, install the app. Don't keep it in the browser. What do you mean by unable to log in? Invalid? That is from your side to solve, no? I can't solve your username and password. For example, these two people said invalid valid link. That is my problem. I gave the link. But credentials are not something in my control. So far, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people have sent their details and 4 of them got access. Now share one of your screens. I'll show you how you can use it. Like Aftab or Vignesh or Saeed Salem or Manikanta, if you share your screen, I can show you how to use it. Again, if you know already how to use it, that's great, but not everyone knows. So share one of your screens. I'll show you how to use it. Okay. Open Discord. It's better if you install app like this because more convenient. The browser tab may close automatically. Okay. Second thing is this is again a hacker school server where everything will be available. Okay. What you can do is first let's focus on the important things. You see there's a CSA and CTA section on the left hand side. That is our course related channels. Okay. In the CSA-CTIA, if you have any kind of questions, you can ask here. Okay. And one of our staff or other students will be able to help you. And any materials you may have to download, you can find them under material section. Okay. Any downloads, links. Moving forward, anything that I would like to share, I will share here. Okay. And you can access all of that here. Finally, screenshots. Go to screenshots. Now, as I'm asking you to do practice, okay, offline people I can physically see, online people I can't see. Sharing screen all the time for every student can be time waste. Instead, after your practice is done, you can take a screenshot and then you can paste your screenshot here. So I can know that you completed. Similarly, if there is any error. So one thing that I would like to mention is something X not working, Y not working, unable to do, not able to do, doesn't help. Okay. Go to doctor and see that I am ill. Doesn't make any sense because that's why anyone will go to doctor because they are ill. What is the problem if you don't tell? Doctor will not be able to magically identify your problem. Okay. Same thing here also when I give you a command. If you simply say not working, that message is waste because that doesn't give me any information to solve the problem. Okay. So explain what problem you are having. If possible, send a screenshot. Sometimes you can't even explain the problem because you might not know what is the problem. So send a screenshot of the error clearly, what you executed, what is the error. So I can know, okay, command may be wrong, or maybe network may be wrong, or maybe Linux may be wrong. Whatever problem, I can try to extrapolate and then try to solve the problem. Okay. Either the errors or the success, both of them you send here. So I can know that either you completed a practice or you got an error and I can tell you how to fix it. Okay. Another thing is if you put a screenshot here, other people also can know, okay, if I do practice, this is how it's supposed to come. Okay. They'll also know that. Think about it like group learning. Third thing is, even if you get error, if someone else also having same error, they'll also be able to get the answer. Okay. So that you ask the same question, again someone asks the same question, why do same task 2 times? No. So that is also helpful here. And apart from that, again, you also can talk to each other and then communicate with each other. Okay. Only one thing is, sometimes I will give you some tasks. That task I don't want other people to see and know. Some people would like to try on their own. If you put your screenshot first, if they see it, they may not be able to think on their own. Okay. So in that case, put your answer, put your screenshot there. but don't reveal it unless other people want to. For example, I ask him a question, he want to answer, but he don't want other people to leak the answer. Same like movie. There's a new movie released. I want to see the movie by myself. I don't want someone to explain that movie to me. So same concept here also. For example, type answer there. Normally, type answer and hit enter. Now this is normal. Hit enter. Everyone will be able to see that. But if you don't want them to see unless they want it, add two pipe symbols in the starting. Pipe symbols, you know pipe symbols? I'll put them in the chat box. That's the pipe symbol. I don't know where you have that in your keyboard. Find it and type two things on the starting. Now type anything in the middle. Okay, now end with again two pipe symbols. Now anything you put between two pipe symbols, hit enter now. By default, it will be hidden. So unless other people want to leak the answer and somehow get a hint, they will not be able to see it. For example, this is my Discord. If I go to screenshots, I don't know if other people can see it, but again, you can see it there. Only click on it, then only the answer will be removed. Click on that. Okay, like that. Same way you can put screenshots also. Take a screenshot of anything on your screen. And for that, you can use a tool called snipping tool. Very good inbuilt in Windows. Click on new, select the area you want to take a screenshot of. Enough. Now paste it there. I think you can paste. If you normally paste, hit enter. That will be a normal image. Hit enter. That is normal image, anyone can see. Same image you don't want other people to see, then what you can do is paste the image again. See on the top there is an eye icon. Click on the eye icon, then hit enter. Just like text image. Unless someone clicks on it, they'll not be able to see what that is. So sometimes when I give you any task, do it like this. But when I give you regular practice time, you can practice and share your screenshot normally. Okay. All the screenshots you put under screenshot segment. Any questions or something you ask them in the CSA CTA section. Okay. And as usual, materials you can find under materials. Other than that, you have lobby. If you are looking for maybe some fun chat, go there, click lobby on the above. Yeah. This is all fun place, not related to cybersecurity, not related to anything. You can talk whatever you want. Why I'm telling that? Don't talk about movies in the CSA CTA segment. Okay. Don't talk about anything else like web series, news, cricket, any such kind of non-cybersecurity thing you want to talk, you talk here. Okay. And apart from that, other additional resource also there. You see the job alerts there. So we regularly post job alerts here. So if you are interested in any job, you can scroll up and see which one is suitable for you and you can apply for it there. Okay. And yeah, rest are all you explore. Again, tunes where you can share music, interview questions where you will get interview questions, laptop configuration check to check if your laptop is strong enough or not and all. Any new tools if you want to know or if you want to share, you can go to new tools. Okay. And you can also do like video calls, all of that within your classmates or something to share under launch or premium launch. Okay. Launch means anyone can access. So if you want something to be shared by any people in the Discord, you can go with launch. If you want only hacker school students to access, then you can go to premium launch. Scroll down. Click on premium launch. Click on confirm. Now here, if anyone else joins, all of you can talk with the mic. Right now, mic is on, speaker is on. If anyone goes there, for example, I'll also go there. One moment. Now you can say I'm also there. If we both turn on our mics, we can talk to each other. I can share screen also there. For example, see the share screen button. If you want to practice together at home, you can do that also by sharing both of your screens. So All features are there, you explore later. Most importantly, we'll be using most of the time will be screenshots to show your progress, and regular CSS CTA to ask for any kind of questions. Okay, so yeah, that is how we use it. Moving forward, like I said, when I ask you to do any practice, I want you to do practice and then share the screenshot under the CSS CTA screenshot section. Okay, now meanwhile, let me see how many more people have joined. And I see Saurabh, they already added you. After you have already got access, no need to send again and again. Okay. Okay, so pretty much anyone that sent me request up to now got access, except like one student. There seems to be some kind of issue there. We'll deal with that later. So yeah, I think the explanation of Discord is done. Now I have also launched another attack there. We are going to see that later. But for now, these are the two network-based attacks. DOS attack also we mentioned, but don't do that. It is not required to do. Just understand that huge amount of traffic will be sent to the target in order to disturb it. Okay. As of now, execute these two commands in your Kali and share a screenshot of your network scan. Like, where is it? I have it way before. This is port scan. Send a screenshot of this and show me a network scan result also like this. Send me a screenshot of this outcome. Come on, complete fast. Send me a screenshot of this outcome. Send me a screenshot of this outcome. Okay. And these are the commands. Not since scan. Smallest capital S is since scan. Since scan. SN is ping scan. Okay, network scan done. ఫస్ట్ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ ఏంటి వెరైటీగా ఉంది. ఫస్ట్ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ వెరైటీగా ఉంది ఏంటంటే వాట్స్ గోయింగ్ ఆన్. ఏది Okay, I think you have mistaken in the second screenshot. On the second one, you don't give IP range, you only give one IP address. I mean, you can do like that also, but it will be wasting your time. So, So we'll continue in 2 minutes because it should be done by now. It's not that long. People have submitted their details but still did not get access. They can share your screenshot in general. Go to general and share your screenshot there if you don't have access yet. Okay, port scan is good. So far, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people have shared screenshot. Out of them, 2 people have sent me both screenshots. Remaining 3 people sent only network scanning screenshot or port scan screenshot. You gave router IP address. You're supposed to give your target IP address. Your target IP address is 109. Give 109, not 1. I mean, technically the command is correct, but target is wrong. So perform scan on 109. Okay, network scanning is good. You can take screenshots of Kali from your Windows. This is my Kali. I can still load snip and sketch within my Windows to take a screenshot of Kali. You don't need something inside Kali. You can do it outside of it. Okay, nice. So yeah, let's continue now. So that is about network scanning and port scanning. And I mentioned do not perform any kind of DOS attacks because they are not safe. Okay. Now let me take you to web-based attacks. I have a host-based attack done already here, but we'll do that later. Let's talk about web-based attacks. Okay. So in your Kali, open your browser. In that browser, open your meta2 IP address. My meta2 IP address is 159. Similarly, you have your own target. For some of them it is 109, for some of them it is 222, for some of them it is something else. Find out your metasploitable to IP address and go to DVWA. Okay. So right now it is 10:55 approximately. I'll give you 5 minutes. See if you can log into this. It's very simple. You have 5 minutes. If you're able to log in, send your screenshot of login success. Yes, that's good. One screenshot. Why are you disturbing them? What happened? General. Like I said, if you pay attention, I clearly mentioned if you don't have access to screenshots, send it in general. Okay. Hmm? I reacted already. You have only 3 minutes left. So far, I received three screenshots. Hmm? Have you downloaded two machines that I gave last time? There are two machines that I gave. No, that's why it's not. For now, open my IP address. Opened. Login. Try to log in. That's what you have to figure out. If I tell you username and password, why will I give 5 minutes? That's up to you. But I want a successful login. When you go to exam, invigilator will give you question paper. Then you're asking, where are the answers? That is your job to fill the answer. Same thing here also. We'll continue in 1 minute. Send your successful login screenshots. Okay, four screenshots. Vignesh, why are you sending in general? People who can't see CSP or CSA session will have to send in general. You keep them in CSA screenshot segment. Okay, time is up. Let's see something like you want to share screen. Let's see what you will have in your screen. Okay, you have performed the practical. Then you have to give the IP address, not the MAC address. Not that, the above one. Copy properly. Mhm. Okay. Like, why did you like? Okay, error is solved, right? Send screenshot now. Send both screenshots. Your screen share is stopped. Please share screenshot if it is taken, or if you have error, share your screen. If you share your screen, we'll see why you can't do that. Again, like I said, can't able to take screenshot, not helpful. Okay, share your screen. I will show you how to take screenshot. Like I said, in your Windows, there is an inbuilt screenshot tool is available. First of all your windows are a mess. Put them all properly. Like maximize your Kali, not that Kali. Like, make this big. Okay. Now in your Windows, there is a search box. Do you see search box? In your Windows, not that. Press Control Alt. Now come to your Windows. Windows. On the bottom, there is a big taskbar. Click on that. Yeah. Search for snip, SNIP. So we can use that. Click on either of them. Wait for it to load. Yeah. Click on new. Now take a screenshot. Mhm. Okay. Now click on that copy icon. There is a, do you see save icon? Next to, yeah, click on that copy. Next to save icon, there's a copy button. Click on that. Once copy is done, go to Discord and click on paste. Just click anywhere on the desktop. Just click on the black area. Yeah. Now scroll down, not in general. Scroll down. Are you scrolling down? Yeah, you have to scroll down. You got out. You exited Hacker School Discord. Click on HS icon. Now scroll down. Yeah, click on screenshots and paste your screenshot there. Press Control V. Hit enter. Scroll down. I received it. That is your screenshot. So it's simple. So don't complicate that. It's very simple like that. Now, so people who are able to log in, that's good. People who are able to not log in, what are you doing? Are you even trying? Because in the page, if you see the last line, are you able to log in? People who are not able to log in, did you see that? If you did not see that, why not? Okay. Second thing, even if you don't see that, what hacker will do is he will try some default username and password. Username admin, password admin. Username admin, password QWERTY. Username admin, password. Like that, some default credentials hacker will try. And if you try something like that, that also could have worked and you will get access. But it's okay. It's not your job. But understand how the hacker will think. Okay. Hacker will use the information that is in your web page. Hacker will try to guess. Hacker will also try to use a big list of passwords one after another in order to figure out what is your valid password. If your password is weak and found in any dictionary, hacker will be able to log in like this. Okay. Now, anytime the login is successful, hacker will be able to get the access and you also will be able to see that in your logs. Okay. So I'll show you that also. For now, let me show you one web-based attack. That is one attack. Second attack is SQL injection. For now, you don't have to do anything. Just see and understand. Okay. I am connecting to my backend database server. Okay. Now in this backend database server, let me do it like this. Okay. So I'm connected to database server. In the database server, there are databases. How many databases I have? 7 databases I have. Okay. And my target right now is what? DBWA. So I will focus on DBWA. Okay. Now after I focused on DBWA, every database will contain tables. So if I type show tables, how many tables I have? Guest book table, users table. Okay. Now if I, which one is interesting? Guest book. Anything, you can pick anything. I am picking users. So if I say, let me come back here. So go to SQL injection again, not now. If you go to SQL injection, it will ask for user ID. Let's say user ID 200. Will it work? doesn't work. Like here, if I say select user ID, okay, select user ID from users where user underscore ID equal to blank. This is a backend query. Okay, so when I give 200, what happens? I get a empty set. That is why here you get nothing. Okay, however, what if I give number 1? You get some value. What if I give number 2? You get some value. Let me ask for something else. It's the same thing, right? So what if I ask for first name, last name? Okay, if I give number 2, you will get first name Gordon, last name Brown. If I give number 1, first name admin, last name admin. If I give number 3, first name hack, last name me. Same thing here also. If I give number 1, first name admin, last name admin. If I give number 2, first name Gordon, second name Brown. If I give 3, first name hack, surname me. So that is exactly what's going on in the backend database. Okay, the problem is because this database is vulnerable, I can confuse this database to give more than what it is already giving. Okay, for example, as of now, unless I know exact number, I'll not be able to identify what data is there. This time it is 1 2 3 4, easy. It could be 1 7 5 6 4, something like that also, like your hall ticket numbers when you go to college. Unless you know exact hall ticket number, you will not be able to get the exam result back. But because it is vulnerable to SQL injection, here I am going to add something, anything, your wish, quotation mark or 1 1. I am going to add that. Okay, why I'm adding that? Because first you already have one quotation mark, so type something. Okay, then close the quotation mark or close the quotation mark or then quote 1 quote. Sorry, I typed in reverse. Quote 1 quote equal to is also there and quote 1. So if I type quote 1, that is going to be completed like this. Now if you understand the query again, you are extracting first name last name from users if user ID equal to something. Is user ID equal to something? It's not valid. User ID should be number value. What did I give there? Some random value. Will it work in the web page? If I type something, will it work? Doesn't work because it is invalid. However, because it accepts my extra values, I added an OR operator. In computer language, OR means when there are two values available, at least one of them should be valid for the condition to work. Okay, if it is AND operator, both of them should be valid. Okay, for example, I can say that bring me one male and one female. What is the meaning of that? You have to bring both of them. But if I say bring me one male or female, either you can bring one male or you can bring one female. As long as one of them is there, it's okay. Same way here also I'm saying that user ID equal to something or 1 equal to 1. Using OR operator, I introduce the second calculation. Now when I introduce the second calculation using OR operator, because it is OR operator, out of those two, at least one of them should be valid. Now which one is valid? User ID equal to something valid or 1 equal to 1 valid? Which calculation is valid? So as long as one calculation is valid, that entire sequence will become valid, giving you the data. But what data? If you give user ID equal to number 1, it will give you 1 data. If you give user ID equal to 2, it will give you 2 data. Right now, what data it will give? Because it doesn't know what to give, it will give you everything. Like this. Remember earlier? When you ask for only one value, it only gives you one value. But now, because you confused it, it is giving you all values. Okay? So same thing here. If I say something normally, it doesn't work. Come on. Why is it not responding? However, if I say something, quotation mark, or 1 equal to 1, don't give the ending code because in the query, ending code is already there. Now, if I click on submit, instead of giving any one of them, what does it do? It gives you all. How does it work in the backend? It will work like that in the backend. Okay. So if you are a hacker or ethical hacker, this is what you'll have to focus on. But as a SOC analyst, you have to focus on this, where it breaks. Okay, where it will be visible. So that when you're investigating, you can go to there and see what kind of queries